Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. It is the one and only greatness. And you may be able to tell from this video, or you may not be able to tell from this video, but ladies and gentlemen, I'm recording on a new camera. So the quality is going to be, it went from down here, we up here now. The quality is going to be great. Comment down below and let me know if you can tell a difference in the quality of the recording that I'm recording now. I am destined for greatness, ladies and gentlemen. You are destined for greatness too. Continue to manifest. I wanted this camera, I manifested it. And today, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I manifested $150 of a $17 investment. And if you do not believe me, I will put the proof right here. Margin is how much you invested. I invested $17 and I flipped $17 to $150 trading Litecoin. I'm going to hop on the desktop today and show you guys how I did it, kind of break things down so you guys can understand better. But I'm glad to be back with this new camera. I am so motivated to drop more videos because the quality just looks insane to me. I love the quality on this camera. Please comment down below and let me know if you are enjoying the quality of this camera too. Check out the merch, Greatness brand. I'm gonna put it here. Check out the merch. Excuse me. Check out the merch. But without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna hop on the desktop. And I'm going to show you guys how I flipped this $17 to $150 because you can do it too. I'm not the only one that can do it. You can manifest everything that you want to manifest. You just have to have a mindset and the knowingness that you're going to do it. So we're going to hop over there in the desktop in 3, 2, 1. So ladies and gentlemen, we're here on the desktop and I'm going to show you guys how I flipped $17 into $150. So the website that I use to make my indications, to look at the market, to mark up my charts is TradingView. And it's this website here. You simply just go to Google, TRADING, tradingview.com, and you're just gonna click TradingView. So this is the website I use. Like I said, I was trading Litecoin. Crypto market is open 24/7, 24 hours, 7 days a week. The foreign exchange market closes on Friday and opens up on Sunday. That's another reason why I like to trade Litecoin. So you're going to want to hit chart here and we're going to pull up the chart. So as you can see, oh excuse me, I was going to say that don't look right. So Litecoin, this is Litecoin here. This is what I was trading to make it. So if we look at my entry point, I'll put the screenshot up again. If you look here, I had 3 entries at 165. So as you can actually look on this screenshot, you can see that all of my entry points, they're going to be on the left. The arrow is going to be pointing to the right. My entry point is on the left. All of my entry points are on whole numbers. This is something that I have in my previous video about psychological levels. I've only entered in at 165 flat, 183 flat. I enter in at whole numbers. That is a key thing in trading in general, is understanding the whole number. So right now this is 161.67. I would not want to enter here because this 66 cents, that could be money that you're losing or gaining, but you don't want to take the risk. You would rather go in flat. If you had $3,000 or $5,000, $10,000, you would not want to enter in at 161.58. It doesn't logically make any sense. You have to think like an institutional trader in order to make money in this business. So like I said, I entered in at 165, which price is currently below that level right now. But at a particular time of me trading, I entered in at 165. So what did I see on this uptrend? Let's see if I can find it. We're in June. So ladies and gentlemen, simply as this, I'll just explain the strategy for you. The strategy I use to make the money that I made is I have my EMAs. I realized that price broke through. We can go to the 4 hourly. I realized that price broke through the EMA. What is an EMA? It is a moving average. I have more videos on that. Price broke through the EMA. Price is on an uptrend. So if you see here that price jumped here, and right here it is creating a higher low, because we're going higher and this is a higher low. So once this higher low is being created, this would be an entry point right here. This is when you would want to enter, when it's creating a higher low like this. And when would you want to get out? You have to look to the left. Look to the left in the market and see where price has been reactive at. So I see here that price has been, so this is all the way in May. Price came all the way up to 210. Look, from this point, when this was the downtrend, it went all the way down here to 117. It has never touched that low again. And it went right back to test this same mark again. Literally 210. It went right back to test it. You have to realize that. So if you got in here, your take profit could be here. Your take profit could be here. You're just gonna look to the left and find. So me getting in at 165, I knew that 180 was a zone that the market likes to test all the time. You have to look back to the left. You know what I'm saying? Understand market structure and price action. That's all I did to make the money that I made. If you guys like a tutorial on how I look at the market, how I break down market structure, please comment down below. But all I did to flip $17 into 150 is understanding market structure and price action, understanding that this is forming a higher low. This is the start of the uptrend. So this is how you want to enter right here. It's not hard, ladies and gentlemen. It is this simple. So like I said, ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick video. I'm just trying to get videos out. If you guys have any type of videos you want me to make, comment down below so I can make those videos. I hope this video kind of taught you guys how I'm making the money. I know it's hard for me to show because it's in the past, but all I did was look for the signs, look for price action, look for what the market is showing me, and I executed the trade perfectly. And I flipped $17 to 150. That is an insane amount of money to flip. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, you can do it too. You know what I'm saying? Soon I'm gonna be flipping $170 to $10,000. And mark my words, because it's going to happen. But thank you for tuning into this video. I really wanted to see how this new camera looked on this video. So let me know how the camera looks. Let me know what videos you guys want to see. Check out the merch. Like, comment, and subscribe. And just in case you ain't know, ladies and gentlemen, I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. Thank you for tuning to this video. Peace.